Hello friends, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are here looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on when we post new videos. Now, in this video, we need Ikea to move over so we can get ready to make these delicious Swedish meatballs. Let's get to it. For our authentic flavor, we are starting off with ground beef, followed by heavy cream, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, white pepper, allspice, salt, and we will also be adding onions. This is about 1/3 cup onions and it will be grated. Once you are done grating your onions, let's go ahead and start browning it up. So we're going to begin with adding butter to a small saucepan. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and add in the onions. Go ahead and stir and continue cooking until it browns. Once you have browned the onions, go ahead and set it aside and let's begin preparing the meat for the Swedish meatballs. In a mixing bowl, go ahead and add in the milk, followed by the breadcrumbs. Whisk it together. Add in the allspice, white pepper, your egg, as well as the salt. And whisk it together to combine. And now we're going to add in the meat. Once you have added the meat, it's time to put in the gloves. Go ahead and use your hands to mix the liquid in the meat together. Once you are done mixing and add in the brown onions, repeat the process. Once you are done, it's time for us to go ahead and shape our meatballs. Swedish meatballs are usually smaller than the ones we are used to, so therefore I recommend keeping them at least 1 inch or 1.5 inches, no more than that, so that the meatballs are nice and small and round. In a large skillet, go ahead and add your butter. Once the butter has melted, add in the meatballs. We are not using oil to cook the meatballs as it is not required in Swedish meatballs. Cook your meatballs to your liking. Place it on a baking sheet. Drain the liquid from the skillet. Add in the butter, followed by the flour, and whisk so it does not burn. And add in the water. Continue whisking until the sauce is formed and thickens. Once the sauce starts to thicken, go ahead and add in the heavy cream as well as the beef bouillon paste. Whisk and taste. Once you are done, remove your sauce and set it aside. So let's prepare the noodles. We are using egg noodles to accompany the Swedish meatballs. Cook the noodles as directed on the package. We cook these noodles for about 6 minutes. Once they are done cooking, go ahead and drain. And in the same pan, add in oil, butter, and add in a handful of spinach. Once you are done, go ahead and add in the noodles Mix well to combine, season with salt and pepper, and you are done. Now it's time for us to go ahead and plate our Swedish meatballs with our noodles. Add in the noodles first, followed by the meatballs, and drizzle the gravy or the Swedish meatball sauce all over the meatballs. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.